I never thought I would see cows in this park. I'm just really surprised to see them here. But I'm going to be very, very respectful of them because they're bigger than me. And I don't want to cause them to do anything to hurt me, so I'm going to stay away from them. But it's like they're guarding the temple up here, so I'm just going to go for a little bit of a walk around here and carefully go around him. Now, if they're anything like the cows in Hong Kong, the cows in Hong Kong won't bother you, but you can see a great big bull way over there, and I'm not sure how friendly he is, so I'm going to sort of stay away and hopefully they go away. So there's like 5 cows in this park, so hopefully, like, oh, there's 6 over there, so I'm going to go around the other way and go visit that temple over there, and then I'm going to come back here and see if all these cows are gone because I want to get a picture of that building over there. Anyway, you can see the students going around on their bikes over here, so hopefully they'll go past the cow and the cow doesn't bother us. Found another interesting area here, some old Thai fishing boats or some type of boats. Really old. They've been sitting here for a while, but it's nice to see them. Nice and interesting to look at. Anyway, we're going to go across to another temple across the street. Go for a little bit of a walk through here. And there you can see a big Buddha there. So this park, you know, it's really, really interesting to walk through here. Like I said, it cost me 700 baht, but it was surely worth it. You can get a lot of pictures here. This place is really awesome. So here we go here. We'll go for a little bit of a walk through here. And you can walk through this whole area. Really great. Try and stay out of the sun a little bit. Other than that, this is really great. Let you have a little bit of a look 360 around this area and try and do a couple more videos.